If you don't laugh, you cry, right? Hi everyone, my name is Jaimie. I am the owner and founder of the Makeup Workshop in Melbourne. I just tuned in with Camilla from Find My Perfect Venue to have a chat all things makeup and how to find your perfect makeup artist. So if you want to be a part of the next one, hit Camilla up. So I'm going to try and show you guys how maybe you can do it at home. This is the Neutrogena gel cream. You want to rub it in and you want to stimulate the blood flow. Face and body foundation is a game changer. It's like extremely waterproof, it's sweat resistant, it doesn't fade. This is Inglot HD. You can use your finger instead of a sponge for this step. You don't have to use a sponge. And I just set the under eyes, so I look up and I'm just going to dust what's left around the face. And take a loose powder with you throughout the day and touch up. I'm going to show you with the same brush how to blush, bronze and contour your face. Spend good money on a bronzer or a blush, and you just want to find your hollows here and you just want to bronze yourself up a bit and add a bit more colour. So this is our new one. This is actually called Ember, and this is a universal champagne colour, and I'm just going to swatch it real quick because the next steps happen quite quickly. I'm going to grab a brush like this, just one. So far we've used one brush and a sponge, and I'm just going to apply it to the high points. So anywhere that light would naturally hit the face, you could wear it to gym and it would not clog your pores. Next step, so I'm going to go in with that bronzer and with the brush that I've used, and I'm just going to run this through the crease. Now we put concealer with the beauty blender on our eyelids before, which is going to act like a primer, and the brush will do all the work for you. Once it's tucked in the right place, I'm using the same product we use as a highlighter as the eyeshadow to brighten. This is Gimme Brow. I am a big winner for a brushed up brow. I do love that trend, so I'm just brushing my brows up. Brown liner is so underrated. Paint that waterline. A lip brush is something I think is a must, and I'm just following my natural lip shape. No real mascara techniques I have, just do the bottoms before the top. I always say eyes are like the nipples of the face, and my mother's watching, she's just going to FaceTime right now.